Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, hell hath no fury like a woman scorned is the saying, and half if not a good 80% of all the dabaru that has been dabarued in this world has been as a result of a woman that has been offended. So with that guys, I bring you this. I don't get to have pillow talk with my husband, Aisha Buhari. So that's the headline. I don't get to have pillow talk with my husband, and this is a comment attributed to Mallam Buhari's wife, Aisha. So now let's see now what this lady has to say. Aisha, wife of Nigeria's President Major General Buhari retired, says she lacked opportunities to have pillow talk with her husband. She said this whilst featuring as a guest on a program aired on television Continental, Journalist Hangout, whose recorded episode for last Thursday was seen by journalists. Aisha, who spoke to the journalist via telephone, noted that busy schedules denied her of opportunities to have pillow talks with the retired Major General. She said this when asked why she expresses her views on national issues in public instead of doing so during pillow talk. Aisha said, "There is no pillow talk in the villa. No, because we are always busy listening to one story or the other. I think the people he puts in the cabinet, they should just sit up and do the needful. That is why it is not good to have godfatherism. We just have to choose the right people to be in the right places so that we would rest, so that the First Lady should stop talking." She, however, vowed not to stop expressing her views in public, saying nobody would stop her from doing so. When queried if she was ever asked to stop talking in public, Aisha said, "Who will stop me? Everybody is talking in the country. Nobody is stopping me. Nigerian people believe in my husband's ideology and he fought for it for 12 years. When we got to this place, it is not because we are the richest or educated or handsome. We are there in Aso Rock, that is, due to the trust and confidence that they have in us. So I feel indebted to the Nigerian masses to continue defending them as the wife of the president." So now this is now this lady now not shutting her mouth and saying really that her voice will not be silenced, pillow talk or no pillow talk. But then of course I cannot even imagine that these people have pillow talk. I do not imagine that Mallam Buhari and this lady share the same room. I cannot imagine that, because Mallam Buhari has medical needs and is not a man of full family. So I don't really see what function he would have in the same room as this lady. I'm not sure if this lady would want really to be in the same room as him, because she's just really to all intents and purposes a ceremonial figure in his life, and he in turn is to all intents and purposes a ceremonial figure in her life. So I'm not really sure that these people share the same room. I mean, they could do, because of course I don't live with them and I cannot say that categorically, but it is my imagination that these people do not share the same room, never mind the enabling environment being there for them to have pillow talk. So pillow talk or no pillow talk, this woman has said she will continue to voice her opinions in the public space, and I say I for one am in favor of that, because she seems to be the one voice that is able to pause and ask for caution in the direction that these people are charging towards. Conversations in the comment section. Let's have a bedroom talk about Aisha, the First Lady, and her bobo, Mallam Buhari. So let's have this pillow talk now on this channel in the comment section. But before you come join me to have this bedtime chat, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this pillow talk that is being voiced in public via a phone call to a television station in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join you in the comment section, but here I say peace.